R3, what is the power? What is the power consume? What is the power consume? Of the circuit. This is just a continuation of my first video about series connection problem. So this time we add another load resistor for the circuit, and R1, R2, and R3, but the value of R3 is missing, so we need to find what is R3 here. Okay, the problem is, the first question is, what is the value of R3? This R3 if the total resistance of the circuit is 40 ohms. So we have 40 ohms total resistance of this circuit. And number 2, what is the total current of the circuit? So we need to find also the total current circulating in this circuit. And number 3, what is the power consumed of the circuit? So we need to find what is the total power consumed of this circuit. Basically we need to what we call this, we need to formulate the power triangle to answer the question number 1. So solution number 1. So we are asked to find the value of R3. So R3 is on R3. So since this circuit is a series circuit, so the formula for the series circuit is, as I've said in my first video, is R1 plus R2 plus Rn. So from the problem number 1, we have a given value of 40 ohms for the total resistance, this one. So here, to answer or to get the value of R3, so we need to substitute the 40 ohms as for total resistance. So 40 plus R1, 10 plus R2, 20 plus R3, no? Okay, so So 40 equals to 30 plus 3, part 3. So simplifying, R3 equals to 10 ohms. Okay, so that is the answer for number 1. And we can check also with this one, so we can substitute if we can get also the total resistance if we substitute this value of R3 to this one. And number 2 solution, what is the total current of the circuit? So the total current of the circuit, based on the Ohm's law, Ohm's law is this one, V over R. Okay, so for number 2, we will be using the Ohm's law to get the total current of the circuit. So in Ohm's law, so I is equals to V over R. So the voltage is, supply voltage is 12 volts, and the total resistance is 40 ohms. We have the total current of 0.3. So the total current of the circuit is 0.3 ampere. Okay, so number 3, what is the consume, or what the power consume of the circuit? What is the power consume of the circuit? So dito we have I total of 0.3 ampere. So solution, so we will be using the power triangle formula for this one. So power is equals to PIB. So if we have 0.3 for the current, and the voltage is 12 volts, so this one, so power .3 times 12 volts, so 3.6 watts. So this is the power consumed by the circuit. Okay, thanks for watching.